It is about to be another rainy weekend. We went to the park this morning. I did a little workout and I am getting ready now to go to the grocery store. I really don't have too many plans this weekend, except I want to make this specific sandwich from my favorite cafe. They took it off the menu and I'm so sad. So I'm going to try and recreate it at home. It is the Meredith turkey sandwich from Maman. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Like the fig jam with turkey and arugula and pickled onions, I think. I need to confirm, but I'm going to make it. So I'm getting ready to go pick up those ingredients, and I'm really excited to partner with one of my favorite jewelry companies on this video, Ana Luisa. Their pieces are like perfect everyday, timeless jewelry to elevate your outfits. It's like everything I have from them, I wear almost every single day. This necklace, these earrings, these are the Tara and the Paris earrings. They're just very classic. I rarely want like everything on one brand's website, and their website, I would love to have every single thing. Their jewelry is so beautiful. It's such high quality, but like at affordable prices. I am going to leave a link here below, and they also gave me a 20% off discount code, Shelby20, if you are looking for some new jewelry pieces to add to your collection, to add to your everyday look. Truly every single thing they have is just so exactly my like jewelry style. So I am so happy to have a discount code to share with you all, and then also just to use for myself. And then my outfit for today is this breezy little dress that I have been loving lately. I feel like I get hooked on one dress and just wear it every single day until I'm sick of it, which is similar to how I listen to songs, actually. Maybe this is like a personality thing. I'm just all dressed up to go to the grocery store. I did have some really good luck at the thrift store the other day, so I'm going to show you what I found. The first one is this chair, and I'm going to change the cushion out of it so it's not red, but I thought it was so beautiful. It's one of those corner chairs, and just love the details. I also found this stool. There's a piece missing because I'm reupholstering it, but I think it's going to just be a really cute stool. Once that is all complete, I found this horse print, which I thought was so beautiful. Might even look good in Brooks's room, or really just anywhere. Okay, I found the sandwich ingredients. First, you'll need some sourdough bread. You'll want to use goat cheese, fig jam, arugula, turkey, pickled onions, which took me a while to find, but they're actually just beside the pickles. If you want to add some crunch, some crispy onions would be really good, but this sandwich turned out to be so good. It's definitely going to be like in my lunch rotation of sandwiches. Highly recommend. So we decided a couple days ago that we were going to take a little road trip to the Hudson Valley and just have like a couple nights away from the city. Every now and then, like the city can be, if I'm in the city for way too long without leaving, it gets to me, and I just feel like I'm craving quiet and like peace and away from the hustle and bustle, and I love it in New York, but especially in the summertime I just crave more time. I kind of like find myself more inspired out of the city than in the city at this time of year. I think it's just because I don't know, I just crave quiet and slowness and space for Pearl to run around. So we're staying in a house that has a fenced-in yard. It'll be so nice for Pearl. I actually ordered Pearl a birthday cake that should be here soon. So we're gonna take that up there. Pearl just turned 2. So I'm gonna pack, and a lot of people ask, like family and friends, like, how long do you think you're gonna stay in New York? And I've always said, like, I can't envision myself leaving until this year. This is the first year that I was like, and maybe it's probably because we have like a toddler running around, but this is the first year that I feel like I would really, really enjoy living like an hour away. I think that would be the best of both worlds. I think taking the train in when you want the city, and then just being in your quiet little yard when you don't want the city would be the absolute best of both worlds. So we have started kind of exploring some areas around here just to see like if we can really see ourselves getting a house. The market is just crazy and really honestly sad how it's changed over the past few years. Sad if you don't have a house. Really probably very happy if you do have a house, because your house probably skyrocketed in value. We are in that weird in between figuring out where we should spend like the next chapter of our life. We're just testing out the waters, exploring different like areas. But yeah, I have been craving a yard so badly. So that's where I'm at mentally, and we'll see what happens. But I do, like, deep down, I do kind of feel like this might be our last summer living in New York City. So anyways, this suitcase, I have not used it before because it's so fancy. I'm gonna use it today for the first time. I would never check this because it's that nice, like it would be destroyed, but this is like a good road trip. And this was a gift. It is like, it's by Steamline Luggage. Oh, it's amazing. So we're gonna pack together, and we're probably leaving in like a couple of hours. So naturally I waited until the last few hours to pack. First things first, making some space for my toiletries. Gotta pack the important stuff first. Okay, so I cannot find my packing cube, so I'm actually going to just use like little tote bags instead of packing cubes and see if that works. I added pajamas and socks and underwear in here, pool and workout stuff in here, and then I'm just gonna lay all my outfits on top. I think that's everything. Oh, shoes. I might have to just put shoes in a tote bag. So these are the clothes I'm bringing. I am also doing a shoot for a fashion brand while I'm up there. So we are bringing a little bit of extra things, like 2 sizes of this dress, just to see which one works. Be perfect. I don't know if this is still in stock, but this is like the perfect little sweater to go over any dress, because it's kind of cropped and it's obviously like matches everything. Another just summery dress that I actually have not worn yet. Hopefully I can wear it here. Some classic little shorts. These remind me of something in the Parent Trap. Love them. And a little shirt, a little crop top to go with those shorts. I think that might be it. Oh, a visor for being outside. At the pool. This house has a pool, which will be very, very nice. All right, we are almost ready to go. We are waiting on Pearl's birthday cake to arrive, and then we are getting in the car and heading out. Okay, arrived. Honestly, there's a little bit of destruction that was made to it, so once we get there I'm going to have to fix it up. Can't really tell, but it does say Pearl down there. E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a duck! E-I-E-I-O. So for Brooks's suitcase, I put his travel crib and his slumber pod, the little black tent thing that goes over his travel crib, on one side of his suitcase. And it's so nice that they pack up in one side of a suitcase. On the other side, TJ's clothes fit, Brooks's clothes fit, and everything else. These are the pajamas actually that I designed with Willow & Co. And the collection just restocked. There might be a few more sizes left, so I'm going to link those below in case you missed out on the first round. Loves it. Someone's out there cutting the grass, and it's nice and spacious. Have a nice kitchen over here. Side of the yard that Brooks can run around in. Actually, I think the only room that has AC, so we will be staying here. Another upstairs section. Oh no. All right, so we got it here, but it's really messed up, sadly. So I'm gonna try and fix it a little bit. It's the best we could do to fix it. But I took all the little cherry things off because they looked, I just didn't know what they were, so. Happy birthday, dear